In the program, we cover factors that drive the extrinsic value of options, therefore the implied volatility of options. We discuss the players in the market, their hopes, their fears, their dreams, their desires, and how that drives prices. We dive into technical analysis, implied volatility analysis. We look at news and how they interact with each other to reveal what the combination of the factors mean. And it's all about taking your trading to the next level by recognizing, adapting to change, noticing what's happening in the landscape, and utilizing the information to truly put probabilities in your favor. Right? We want you to be able to better take advantage of opportunity, to appropriately control your risk, and become a better trader. So the program actually includes, I have a 4-part technical analysis primer, which some of you may have actually seen before. It's similar to some of the other technical analysis courses that I have. That's included with this. It's a recording of a live 2-day seminar and a workshop where we cover why income trading works. We do in-depth lessons on implied volatility, what it is, how it works, the psychology of the market, who are the major market participants, how do they think. We talk about the Greeks, how they're affected by implied volatility. I mean, most people don't know that all the other Greeks change when implied volatility changes, right? How to predict changes in implied volatility, how implied volatility affects the reliability of analytical model predictions. I mean, if you get one thing out of this course, just being able to better read or understand your analytical model is a really good thing that you can do. We talk about, what's the options skew telling you. We talk about adapting to change, properly identifying risk. We have a section on negotiating orders and trade execution. We have comprehensive process for analyzing the market. We have a process for knowing market psychology based on horizontal and vertical implied volatility skews and comparing that to technicals and the news that happens to be around at the current time. Analyzing the market through cross-index analysis on multiple timeframes, trade planning, customizing trade entries, exits, and adjustments based on charting, implied volatility, and news considerations. We have experiences, trades, and advice from some of the top students. We interact within the workshops and we talk to people and you get advice from some really, really great traders. Then we have our market analysis and trade planning workshop. We're doing 3 mission debriefs. You can learn how each team analyzed the market. You can notice how they developed a plan to trade to their objectives. You can analyze their psychology, and you can discover the results of their efforts. There's a ton of exciting content in the course, and it's designed to help you adapt to the market regardless of the type of trading you do.
Yes!
It's a good day to jump into the butterfly.
The more power you have.
Watch what the market does.
Is that a support area? This is the Trader Talent Show.
The markets usually are going up.
We talked about T+0 line lift. Wonderful. And I don't really want to be in that trade.
That's sea of death right there.
Volatility is through the frickin' roof.